In this video, we will learn a new topic. Before that, I would like to ask you some questions. Student, see the picture and tell me how boys are standing.
They all are standing in a queue.
Yes, very good. They all are standing in queue. But in which order?
They all are standing height-wise, from smallest to biggest order.
Yes, they all are standing height-wise from smallest to biggest order. Very good. Okay, students. In this picture, what do you see?
In this picture, they all are standing biggest to smallest order.
Yes, they all are stand from biggest to smallest order. So, today we are going to learn ascending order and descending order. In this picture, we are seeing that the dog is climbing from 1 to 10. So that means the dog is climbing smallest to biggest number. So the number 2 is bigger than 1. Number 3 is bigger than number 2. Number 4 is bigger than number 3. Number 5 is bigger than number 4. Number 6 is bigger than number 5. And number 7 is bigger than number 6. Number 8 is bigger than number 7. Number 9 is bigger than number 8. And number 10 is bigger than number 9. So, we are seeing here that the number is increasing from smallest to biggest, from 1 to 10. So, in ascending order, we are arranging or ordering the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. Is called as ascending order. So, we can see in this picture, one girl is climbing from smaller numbers to the biggest number, from 20 to number 30. So, she is climbing from smallest number to the biggest number. So, this is called ascending order. Here are some steps of arranging the numbers in ascending order. First, we arrange smallest number, then middle number, and then biggest number. Example 1 of the numbers 42, 47, 45, which is the smallest, the biggest and the middle number. In this sum, the smallest number is 42, the biggest number 47 and the middle number is 45. Middle number 45 comes between 42 and 47. So, ascending order will be 42, 45, 47. Means from smallest number to the biggest number. Example 2. Here are some numbers. Let us read. 20, 16, 18. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. So, in ascending order, first come smallest number. Which one is smallest number?
16.
Very good. So, 16. Second, we come middle number.
18.
18. Very good. And last, which is the biggest number in this all?
20.
Very good. So 20. So the ascending order will be 16, 18, 20. It means from least to the greatest number. We arrange from least to the greatest number. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. For example, some numbers are given here. Let us read the number.
58, 67, 39.
Very good. 58, 67, 39. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So, the first smallest number will be 39, then middle number 58, and then biggest number 67. So, 39, 58, and then last 67. We'll arrange in ascending order. Example 4. Here are some numbers. Let us read the numbers. 80, 40, 90, 70. Now, we have to arrange all this number in ascending order. So, what will become? Let's see. 40, 70, 80, 90. Yes, in ascending order from smallest number to the biggest number. What can you see in this picture?
I can see some numbers written on the stairs and a dog.
In this picture, we are seeing that the dog is climbing from 10 to 1. So that means the dog is climbing from biggest number to the smallest number. That means 9 is smaller than 10, 8 is smaller than 9, and 7 is smaller than 8, 6 is smaller than 7, 5 is smaller than 6, and 4 is smaller than 5, and 3 is smaller than 4, and 2 is smaller than 3, and 1 is smaller than 2. So, that means we arrange the descending order from biggest number to the smallest number. So, in descending order, it's just opposite of ascending order. When we arranging or ordering the numbers from the largest to the smallest number is called as descending order. You can see a girl and some numbers written on stairs. Let's read the numbers given on stairs. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Very good. It means that the numbers is arranged from 30 to 20 because girl is climbing or coming from up to down. So number arranged in 30 to 20, that means it's arranged in descending order. Let's see. Here are some steps of descending order. First we arrange biggest number, then middle number, and last smallest number. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. Example 5. Some numbers are given here. Let's read the number.
34, 42, 60, 53.
Very good. So, we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So, first will come the biggest number, that is 60. Then 53, then 42, and last smallest number 34. Example 6. Here is some numbers given to you. Let's read the number.
36, 66, 86, 26.
Very good. So we have to arrange this number in descending order. It means first come biggest number 86, then middle number 66, 36, and the last will come smallest number 26. Now, example 7. Let's see some numbers given on screen. Let's read the number.
83, 94, 75, 66.
Very good. We have to arrange this number in descending order. Come on, let's arrange the number in descending order.
94, 83, 75, 66.
Very good. Example 8. Here are some numbers given to you. Let's read the number.
100, 77, 88, 96.
We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Let's arrange in descending order.
100, 96, 88, 77.
Very good. From biggest to smallest. In descending order, we arrange the number from biggest to smallest. Now, we will arrange the given number in ascending order and descending order. Let's do the sum. Here some numbers are given to you. Let's read the number 59, 44, 61, 38. In ascending order, we arrange them from smallest to biggest number. That means 38, 44, 59, 61. Just opposite of that, we arrange in descending order from biggest number to the smallest number. It means 61, 59, 44, 38. See, here are some numbers on train. Let's read the number.
53, 84, 76.
Very good. So we have to arrange this number in ascending order. 53, 76, 84. And in descending order, 84, 76, 53. I hope you had enjoyed the lesson very well. Thank you.